Okay. For me, I'll give a really personal example on this one. I practiced a raw vegan diet, and I was losing for years actually, and really strictly for months at a time. And the reason I got kind of caught in that loop was because at first I was losing a pound a day. And most people I had met would do that. They would lose a pound a day if they only ate raw fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, especially if they were ripe and in season, and they would be okay and good for months. And they would lose a pound a day until their body came to a natural no fat zone, or really little fat zone. And what happened to me, that worked, and that worked for most people. But what happened for me is eventually my testosterone got depleted, and I started I started getting skinnier and chubbier at the same time. And it was as this path that I found myself on as a clean way of eating, it was also the path that I lost myself on. I was so certain that the raw vegan diet lifestyle was the best way to eat long term, that the dogma kind of clouded my reality of what was actually going on, and I had no testosterone. I barely had any testosterone left in my body. I got a blood test, and then I started eating wild salmon, and I woke up the next day like a new man.